Gonna say hello?
Hello.
Hello, human beings.
Hello, everybody. Gus is gonna unbox some new Scentsy for you. So this is our warmer of the month for next month. What's next month? Do you know?
I don't remember.
What comes after
Is it
June?
November?
November comes after June?
I don't remember.
Wait, my birthday's next month? It's winter?
July. All right, so what'd you just pull out?
I think this is the plate that goes on top of them.
Yep, that's one of the dishes.
All right. Next is, it's a tiny little plant.
Ooh,
Wow.
a tiny little plant. You want to show the camera?
Wow, a plant.
It's a little
Amazing.
plant.
It's
Little
green.
plant. Okay, what else is in here?
A bigger cup.
What is that for?
I mean, this is called whatever it is. I don't want to say it.
You want to say the name of the warmer? You can say it.
Wild Desert.
Wild Desert. So we've got how many dishes now?
3.
Oh,
Three
wow.
dishes.
That's a lot of dishes.
Another plant.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
another plant? Wow.
Looks like a fern.
Want to show the camera?
A plant.
And then you dropped something here. What's that?
Little light
It's a
bulb.
light bulb.
But most importantly,
No, this is my job. It's my job, thank you.
can I have the light bulb at least?
Ding.
All right, you want to pull this out?
I'm smart, I have an idea.
What?
This is my job now.
And
Don't
the
mind me.
piece of the resin sounds.
The warmer.
Oh, geez, there's a lot.
I'm going to move the camera down so they can see.
Oh,
what
and then
they're
we
doing.
have these little rock things. And then there's the little rock things again.
Oh, the handy open.
The rock things. I remember these.
Oh, here. Let's pull.
Are they like tied in? Oh. And then we have these rock things.
Yeah.
That's in that other one. I like that one.
So here's the stand.
I like this. Or like this.
Okay, you want to pull that out?
And then what you do is you take these.
Oh, no. You put them in the dishes.
Oh, you put them in the dishes.
Mm-hmm.
I love my job.
Good job, Gus. And then where does that go when you're done?
Right here. I think.
Nice.
And then we'll put the tiny plant in there.
Nice.
Then we take. Oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Peggy's going to think that's a snack.
Alright. Put that in there.
It's
Take
gone.
the big plant.
No.
I think we should do something with the rest of these.
Hand it.
Yeah, we can see if we can put the
Bam
rest
it.
of them in there.
There.
Maybe some more can go in here and there.
More.
Alright, one in there. Oh. And then the rest go in there.
Nice. All right.
Alright. More of these. They kind of do look like little
Oh, yeah, and that
snakes.
holds it a lot better for that one. That's for sure.
This one.
Okay. And then let's put the light bulb in.
Alright. I got an idea. Because it's a light bulb.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And then this guy goes in here. And this is nice and plastic, so you don't have to worry about that break-in, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the other ones are all glass. And
And
these are all
now-
fake plants, obviously.
The final touch.
All right, so
go.
this is, what was the name of the warmer again, Gus?
Wild Desert.
Wild Desert. So this is the warmer of the month. That'll be 10% off next month. Ah,
Trying to open this so I can plug this in to see what it looks like with not. I like this.
well, we have to get a plug in, and we don't have one right here right away.
There's one
available.
over there.
Oh, okay. Well, you don't have to pull that up. You can just pick up the warmer, 2 hands, and take it over there.
I did my job.
Actually, here, hold on. Leave it here, Gus. I've got this here. So you can plug it in.
Okay.
Just get a...
I did my job. Look at it. It's beautiful.
Alright, let's see. Hey!
Beautiful. Content.
There we go. It's splitting up.
All right, so there's Wild Desert Warmer that'll be on sale for 10% off starting July 1st. This one is going to go fast, So definitely pre-order with us. Right, Gus?
And
I
now,
did my job.
and now we just.
And then we move it to the side. Now, do you want to smell the scent and tell them about the scent of the month too that's coming out for next month? It's the pink bar there.
Oh, the pink one.
And what's it called?
Desert Tropics. Oh yeah, is this the one that you were talking to me about before?
Wow, it smells
It smells good.
like its name.
Okay, what do you think it smells like? Do you
I
think
know,
it's
It
so?
smells
There's
like, kind of
different.
like candy or something.
So there's different scent categories. There's fresh. There's woodsy. There's spice. There's clean. There's fruity. Which one do you think this
It
one is?
almost smells
I
like
don't know, it
fresh
smells
or
like candy or
fruity.
something.
So like fruity. Yep.
Like a fresh kind of fruity.
You're right. It's got pineapple, tropical berries, dragon fruit, and mango. And then it's also got sandalwood and musk on the bottom of it.
I'm just gonna do a sneak peek.
Woohoo! All right. And then, did you want to unbox the other warmer,
No.
or did you want to?
I wanna do this
smell
one.
the scent.
I'm gonna do this one.
You want to show them what we got at what I got at SFR? So this was an exclusive thing that isn't coming out until fall, and Gus wants to show you guys.
Oh jeez,
Pre-order
so
it.
cool. Here it is. It's Winnie the Pooh.
And what is it?
It's one of those things that you plug into the wall and it like
Oh,
fills
like
up
a
the room.
nightlight.
The fan
Scentsy?
diffuser.
No, it doesn't really. It's not really.
Yeah, this one has a light on it.
Oh wow.
They now have lights in them.
And it comes with the smell.
100-acre wood.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
And then we
So you decapitate Pooh,
Yes.
and then you
like we did with Mickey.
Mm-hmm. Then you plug him in. Should we plug him in to show?
Yep.
All right.
Plug in Winnie.
Oops, we have to flip it
Plug
around.
in Winnie the Pooh.
So if
We
you've
already
never
said
noticed, all of our plug-in warmers, you can change it so that this thing can either go sideways or all the way upside down. So that way, if you have outlets that are untraditional, you can still have Scentsy warmers.
All right, plug it in,
Plug it in, plug it in.
and now start it up.
And you can see the light shining below. So it's great night light or a light source in a bathroom. Very cool.
Content.
I'm catching the air in here, and now I'm gonna put it through the camera so everyone
Oh,
else
so
can
everyone
smell
can
it.
smell it. All right, people,
Yes.
can you smell? Those of you watching at home, can you smell what Gus is stepping in here? Last warmer.
This is my
I'm
job.
not stepping in anything.
Do you want to do this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Time for the best to last. Groot.
Woohoo! We got Groot. Whoa! The muscles.
I am Groot. It
Oh,
even says
cool.
I am Groot.
It even
Yeah.
says,
It says
"I am Groot."
on the top.
I recommend this one. This one's cool.
Yep. Okay.
Cardboard. Spiky cardboard.
Peggy, why are you sniffing my butt?
Hi, Peggy.
Oh, it says it in the dish too.
Really?
Yeah, look. In the
man.
dish. I don't. Wait. I'm gonna get it out first.
It's a lot bigger than I expected.
Yeah.
it to be.
Wow. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be small.
So it's an element warmer, so there's no night light.
It says I am Groot in the dish too, right here.
So cute. Set him down so they can kind of see how big he is.
Oh, jeez.
Look how big he is.
He's like, wait. Oh, there's a little. What is that?
So there's a little red dot light here. Now this doesn't light anything up. This just tells you when it's on. So you plug it in so you'll know that he's warm, as opposed to just being lit. And it almost looks like he has a little booty. I know it's supposed to be his back and shoulders, but it does look like a little booty.
All right.
And then he's got little cute little leaves.
Look at him.
Look at how cute he is.
And now.
Oh my goodness.
And
Oh, you
now-
want to plug it in so you can see that light on?
All right. Let's
Well, we
see.
gotta show them. How will they know it's working? We
Alright.
go the extra mile.
Do you
Okay.
have to flip it around?
I did.
And
Oh, geez, it's not going in.
I'll do
put
it.
it in.
Look out.
Put it in.
All right. Let's see. All right.
Okay.
Turn it on. Is it on?
Yep.
Whoa.
And the light is on.
Yeah,
Yep,
but
so you
the-
can't see.
You can't really see it, but the light in the
See,
back.
now you can tell the light's glowing just slightly.
It's like
so that way you know
fungus.
the warmer's on.
Peggy.
Peggy, don't eat that.
Well, look at his cute little self.
Peggy, why
Oh
is your
my
eating?
goodness.
No.
And then he comes with a couple bars of the Marvel scent, which is a really great man scent. You want to smell that one for him, Gus, and tell him what you think? They can't see your head. You look decapitated, too.
Here, because I'm actually in the frame.
Disgusting.
It smells.
Does it smell like dad?
It smells like smells.
Does it smell like dude?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like dude.
I want to put it in.
You want to put it in the warmers?
Yeah.
Up here or downstairs?
Here. Wait, downstairs, because that's our,
Why don't you
Man
like
cave?
break it and then like?
yeah, like break.
All right,
Not
I
strong
think we're
enough.
done. What do you want to tell everybody?
Buy it.
I am Groot.
You are Groot.
Buy it.
We are Groot.
No. The students. Buy
Oh,
it.
jeez.
Buy
All right, and maybe have a good day. And thanks for watching.
Yes, Peggy says goodbye.
Peggy says goodbye.
Yeah, she's right over
I
here.
can get this.
Peggy.
All right, have a great day, everybody. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.